Okay, one more example. Same thing. We have f of x equals negative x squared minus 3x plus 3. And we want A, standard form. B, we want a sketch of a graph. Okay, standard form. F of x will factor negative 1 out or negative out, and we get x squared plus 3x, and we leave the 3 intact. And now half of 3 is 3/2. So I'm going to write it as x squared plus. So again, we're going to write it as 2 times 3 over 2x. Here's your h. Plus 3 over 2 squared. Okay, this is the added term, right? So we need to subtract, but because this is negative up front, we end up adding this. This is the compensation, plus 3/2 squared, and then plus 3. Okay, this was added with a negative up front, and this will be subtracted, negative of a negative. And now we are looking at negative. The term is 3/2, so we have x plus 3/2. H is 3/2, I'm sorry. That's what I meant to say. So this is the completed squared. And then what we have here is 9 over 4 plus 3, but 3 is 12 over 4, right? So I can write it as 12 over 4, and finally write it as negative x plus 3/2 squared plus 21 over 4. So this was part A. Part B, to sketch this thing, parabola that has a vertex at x equals negative 3/2 and y at 21 over 4, which is about 5 1/4. So let's write it here. HK equals, this will be negative, because we have plus, so it would be negative 3/2 and then 21 over 4. So it's facing down, so it looks like this. Three half is right here. So this is the axis of symmetry. Okay, this is x equals negative 3/2. The vertex will be 4 1/4, so let's